spacious street living and dining area. So you can check out how beautiful the kitchen is. So once you enter this bedroom, you can check out how. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Casa Grand GS Infinity, which is located in Attapur, Hyderabad, a project developed by Casa Grand Builders. And today we are here to check out the 3 BHK model flat. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding and the neighborhood of the project. So on my right hand side is the land parcel of the project where the construction work is in progress. And now about the marketing office is just on my left hand side over here, where there is the model flat and the 3D model of the project. Now, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you don't need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview, and this project is spread across 4.8 acres of land parcel consisting of 3 elegant towers, with each tower of 3 basement, ground plus 35 floors, having exclusive 3 BHK, 4 BHK and 5 BHK premium residencies. Now coming to the amenities part, and this project provides you 100 plus world class amenities let me show you through this miniature. Here's the kids play area, multi-purpose court, 41,000 square feet of grand clubhouse with rooftop swimming pool, garden area, and many more amenities in this project. Now about the location part, and this project is located on 100 feet road of Attapur in Hyderabad, and this road will take you towards Karwan Road. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project, 10 minutes away from APPA Junction ORR. Airport is 25 minutes away, Zoe Hospital is 4 minutes away from the project. So this is your 2,386 square feet of 3 BHK sample flat. And here we start your sample flight tour, and this is the main entrance where they are providing with a digital door lock. And once you enter, this will be the spacious street living and dining area. So you can check out how beautiful the living area is over here. And exactly beside here, in the center of the house, you can set your dining area. You can check out how spacious this dining area is. And exactly in front of the dining area, they have provided the puja room. Now this space where you can set your family lounge for your get-togethers, which is connected to the balcony. And this is the balcony, the spacious one, which is connected to 2 of the bedroom of the house with anti-skid wooden finishing flooring, toughened glass railing, and you can enjoy beautiful scenic view enjoying with a sip of coffee. Now let's move further towards your kitchen area. So with the easy access to your dining area, on my right hand side is your kitchen area. The best part I find is the privacy. So you can check out the kitchen area is not fully visible. They have provided a foyer area for the kitchen as well. And you can check out how beautiful the kitchen is. With the platform, the cabinets over here, they have provided a window which is an L shape for ventilation and lighting. Now about the utility area, which is enclosed right here with the machine provision and a window. Now moving further towards your bedroom space, and this side is your bedroom number 1. So once you enter this bedroom, you can check out how spacious this bedroom is. Here's a bed space, and here comes your balcony. So this is the same balcony that we checked out earlier, which connects you to the balcony of your living area. This makes it a running balcony, the running deck we can say. Now here's your wardrobe set over here. You can set your wardrobe. One more thing that I've missed out, here's a window. So you can check out the full window. So once you open this side, and it can give you a perfect feel of a standing balcony as well. Now coming further towards your attached washroom, and here's your attached washroom. with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now about your bedroom number 2. So let's move further, and exactly beside this bedroom is your bedroom number 2. So they have provided a sink area, the common sink area over here. And this side is the entrance for your bedroom number 2, and this is your bedroom. You can check out how beautiful the interior work is done. Here's a bed space over here, the wardrobe space. Here they have added up a chair and a table, and even you can add up your dressing table as well over here. One more thing, here exactly in front of me is your attached washroom. Attached washroom to this bedroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And the best part is this window. Again, the same window which gives you a feel like of standing balcony in your room. Now let's move further towards your master bedroom. But before moving further, let me introduce you with all the key features of Housey. So basically, Housey is here with the actual location tour with such sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these features under Housey.com. So quickly register in just 2 steps on www.housey.com. Now your master bedroom is exactly in front over here. So once you enter this bedroom, you can check out how masterpiece it is with a bed space over here, the wardrobe set over this side, and even they have added up a chair and a table for the workspace. Now again, the windows over this side which gives you a perfect feel of a ventilation and a perfect lighting. Exactly in front of me is your walk-in wardrobe, the walk-in closet area. So this is basically a dressing area where you can even add up your closet. With attached washroom, with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fitting where the shower partition divides your bathing area. So now, as you all know, we are here in Attapur location. Have you checked another project in this location? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of the project, all is mentioned in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.